Oh, burn me. Well, folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at CTSR for the Roch Championship 2024. Next up is two-wheel drive. I'm in the B-MAIN, two-wheel drive 40 plus mod buggy B-MAIN. Electronics in the same setup I normally run on my Wednesday night weeknights. I'm on a 13.5 motor. I've got a hobby wing, just stock, or stock spec ESC I mean, Savox servo, and yeah, redline batteries of course, always, Gen 6 redline. Starting in P3 in this B-MAIN. We're doing triple mains, so this will be the first of 3, but I'm just going to record one of them for you guys. This is on day 2 of 3, so we'll do mains 2 and 3 tomorrow, but this is mains 1. The new thing that I'm trying is instead of my typical liquid wrench saucing, I'm finding slicks perform way better here on an actual like sticky type versus a softening type, so I'm using sticky kicks gold. So far it holds up for a full run, liquid wrench does not. So I've been very happy with that. I've been just boring it off my pit partner here, Colton Vogel. So anyway, I'm liking it. So we're gonna go out in this main and see what we do. Alright, we're all gridded up here for the 40 plus two-wheel drive B-MAIN. I'm gonna be starting in P3. Alright, finish the blowing. We'll get our practice lap once they tell us track is open. Get all our marshals in position. Missing one. Oh nice, fixing the carpet. That carpet's taking a beating. Whoops, I'm in 3. Okay, here we go. This is my last main today.
Marshal ready. Drivers ready. Stop less than 5. Et c'est parti. On va marquer des slips. Quand quelque chose, c'est élevé. C'est pris une position sur parcours.
Oh, burn me. Damn. Great. 2nd to 4th. pipes suck me in.
Duval, la voile, Marco, Duval, la voile, Marco, c'est le top pour la main de Kennedy, Martin, frérot. Non, on va rester au milieu. Duval, la voile, Kennedy, Marco, Martin, frérot. Allez, c'est là. Kennedy, la voile. Martin, Marco et Duval. Tout le monde s'amène. C'est ça la première position. Duval. En deuxième, Guillaume Bélobé. Troisième, Roch, Kennedy. Quatrième, la voile,
Man,
Martin,
started
Marco,
P3, finished P3. I've done that for everything in the mains. Is where I started, is where I finished. Every single one. P1, P4, P3. All right. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. If you want to talk, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.